To monetize your YouTube channel, you can follow these steps. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program. To start earning money on YouTube, you need to apply for and be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to monetize your videos by enabling ads to be displayed on your content. Meet the eligibility requirements. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel and have accumulated a minimum of 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Enable monetization features. Once you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you can enable monetization features for your channel. This includes ads that are displayed before, during, or after your videos, as well as other features like channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelves. Create advertiser-friendly content. To maximize your monetization potential, it's important to create content that is suitable for advertisers. Avoid using copyrighted material without permission and ensure that your content follows YouTube's monetization policies. Explore alternative revenue streams. In addition to ad revenue, you can also explore other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. This may include brand partnerships, sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, and more. Remember, building a successful and monetized YouTube channel takes time and effort. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel to attract more subscribers and viewers.